So this is Dr. Mohan Lakshmi, Professor and Head, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, Kanyakumari District. So the next lecture is about the Web 3.0. So will we see an overview of Web 3.0, how it has been took a transition from Web 1 and 2, and we'll see what are the pillars of Web 3.0. So, on completion, you could see or you could explain how the web has been transited, and you could explain the various features of Web 3.0, and you also will be able to explain the applications of Web 3.0. So, coming here, the first one is Web 1.0 and 2.0. It is purely information centric web. So Web 1.0, it is an information-centric web. The first generation of World Wide Web is characterized by static websites. So it is one-way broadcasting. It is widely used between 1998 and 2001 and still used besides Web 2.0 in almost all websites. So even nowadays we could see www, all those URL you could see there, right? And the second one is Web 2.0, the next transition. So which is called as, or it is the pimple centric web. So normally this is used in social networking sites, tagging or labeling the content, community generated content, new web technologies, open source software, everything are involved in the Web 2. And coming to the transition aspect, so it has taken almost 10 years for Web 2 to reshape the web. So it may be the same for Web 3.0, but still this is not mature. Here you can see, say, or Web 2.0 and Web 3.0 or evolving technology frameworks. So Web 3.0, it was introduced by Spalding 2007 in 2007. It is a highly specialized information silos moderated by personality, validated by community, and inclusion of metadata through widgets. The evolutionary stage of Web 2 lack standards and unified framework. So the same attributes can be shared with the Web 2.0, something like transformation, then ubiquitous computing, ubiquitous in the sense the enormous thing, openness, rest, intelligence. So coming to the Web 3.0, it is a mission-centric web, and here the services which emphasize a mission-facilitated understanding of information on the web. So the earlier cases we have seen it is a people-centric, but here it is totally the mission-centric. So this is again termed as semantic web. So where the publishing in languages are specified for the data, and here this is used in different frameworks. So resource description framework, which is shortly called as RDF, web ontology language WOL, sorry, extensible markup language XML. Mostly we are familiar with XML. So this web development 3.0, it focuses on adding the metadata, so or information to describe the content of the web. So even you could see in the WhatsApp, once you open it, you will have a inclusion of metadata over there. So this provides an intelligent level to the website, enable the user to communicate completely with the machine. It enables the machine to communicate with each other. There is machine to machine communication. So you could see this is a Netflix, okay? So where you have the media fragments over here, the video content is over here. So the founder and CEO of Netflix, Reed Hastings, he has described the Web3 as being the full video web that will be made possible by the increasing growth in bandwidth available to customers, which will allow transmission of full movies over the web. So you can see nowadays the OTT platforms, so where the entire movies are available over the web. So what are the pillars of Web 3.0? So we have two pillars over here. One is tagging, the next one is microformat. So tagging is something like adding the metadata to index and describe the resource. So it allows not only text search but also images and audio and video search. So sub-search engine pull feeds automatically for us. So high level of personalized vocabularies and structures are available. So coming to the microformats, it defines semantic vocabularies by user. There are a variety of options which we have seen: RDF, XML, XFN. So this bridges the gap between the understandings by human and the machine. So what are the applications? So we do have certain applications. So there are certain tools or files over here. So one is Twine. This help users organize, find and keep track of interest such as bookmarks, notes and videos. It also can collect online content smartly, web pages, articles and photos. It could sort all resources by topic intelligently. So this could make personalized recommendations based on what we have collected. So the second one is RDF database. So these are the separate files that describe resources on internet. So these databases are simple, scalable, open source database, and these applications include semantic webs. So the next is Oracle 10.2G release, which supports RDF. So this provide information about web resources. It allows automated processing of web pages by software agents. And here we have even the natural language search. So body language which could understood by the system, or personal profile could be identified by the system to provide personalized content, more interactive and entertainment aspects. And we also have certain applications related to the software agent where the intelligence is added, so which act as a delegate to help routines, buy books online, pull all feedbacks related to the user criteria, optimize the search and get the best to buy, automated process of order and payment. So the user does nothing, so everything, the intelligence is added over here. So once you want to purchase something, you could google it, you could go to certain shopping platforms, something like Amazon or Flipkart, where you could find the best deals. So all these things will come under this intelligent software agents. So after this lecture, I think you can compare the features of web 1, 2 and 3, and what would be the pillars of web 3, and you could list the applications of web 3.0.